Math Superheroes. This is Progression Test 2026, Paper 1, Part 1. Remember, it's 45 minutes only. Calculators are not allowed. Here is a number sequence. The sequence continues in the same way, starting from 3.9, and the rule is written already, negative 0.7. So every time we are going to take away negative 0.7 and so on. So when I say 1.1 minus 0.7, the answer will be 0.4. Remember, when we subtract decimal numbers, put the decimal point first, like this. Decimal point, 1.1 minus 0.7. So 1 minus 7 cannot be, you have to borrow. This will be 11, and this will be, here is 0. 11 minus 7 will be 4, so 0.4. Okay, let's see the next question. Ahmed heats some sugar to make a caramel. The sugar starts at temperature of 19. The sugar reaches a temperature of 105. Write a number to complete the sentence. The temperature of the sugar increased by what? Are we going to add 19 plus 105, or we are going to subtract? When we are asking about the increase, the difference, the change that happened. Once we're asking about something that changed, we are going to subtract. So 105 minus 19, the answer will be 86. Calculate 123.99 divide 3. So first we're going to divide step by step. Either we can make it long division, 100.99 divided by 3. Take it step by step. 12 divided 3, 4. Or first, 0 divided 3 cannot be, so I will take 12 divided 3. Okay, then 3 divided 3, 1. Decimal point as it is. 9 divided 3, 3. 9 divided 3, another 3. So the answer will be 41.33. Okay. If we are going to calculate 24.9 times 4, so first we need to write it under each other. Start from 4. Don't forget to put the 4 in the correct place. If you put it under the 2, under the 4, maybe you will get confused. Remember, we start from the ones. So 4 times 9, it will be 36. 3 up, 6 down. Then 4 times 4, 16, plus 3, 19. 1 up, 9 down. And then 4 times 2, 8, plus 1, it will be 9. Now, that's it, but don't forget to put the decimal point. We have only one place in the decimal point, so we'll put 99.6. Here is the decimal point. Okay. Here are some numbers. Draw a ring around the number that is the multiple of 11. What is multiple of 11? I'm not sure. Let's write down timetable 11. 1 times 11, 2 times 11, and so on. You know this from year 3 or year 4, that when you multiply a number by 11, you find the same number. You just repeat the answer. So here from the numbers we have 24, no, it's not there. 48, no. 64, no. 88, yes. 96, no. The number must be repeated, so it's 88. Calculate 90.7 divided by 100. Here we have 100, 2 zeros. This means I need to move the decimal point 2 steps, to the right or to the left. Since we are dividing, we will move to the left 2 steps. Here, the decimal point. So the final answer will be 0.907 or 0.907. Okay. We have here a spanner. Chen spins the spanner. Let's see the question. There is a % chance of spinning landing on a stripped section. It's already cut it into 6 parts. And here is the stripped one. 1, 2, 3. 3 over 6. 3 over 6 means what? If I want to simplify it, it will be half. Or I can think that half of the 6 is 3. So this is equal half, which is 50%. Okay. There is a out of 6 chance of the spinner landing on a spotted section. How many parts are spotted? Only 1, so it will be 1 out of 6. 8 over 16 in simplest form. So again, what is half 16? Half 16 is 8. So the answer will be half. Also, we can think both 8 and 16 are in table 8. So I can divide up and down by 8. So the final answer will be half. 3 over 4 of 8. Okay, how can we solve this question? Any number, we have a fraction and we say off means multiply. So either you multiply 3 times 8 and then you divide by 4, or use this way. Divide the whole number by the denominator. 8 divided 4 equals 2. Then 2 times 3 equals 6. And also if we multiplied 3 times 8, 24. 24 divided 4 also equals 6. So both ways we can use the easier way for you to find the correct answer. Mike works for 7.1 minutes. He works for 7 minutes and we need to change this 0.1 into seconds. How can we do this? 0.1 times 60 equals 6. We said anytime we have something with a decimal point in the time, we're talking about time, we have to multiply by 60. Okay, 257 divided 25. Here we have, this is 200, it's almost 250. Divide by 25, it's 10. But I have here more than 7, the remainder, so the remainder will be 7. Let's do these calculations by subtraction. Put them under each other. Remember, the decimal point must be in the correct place. 4 minus 1, 3, 5 minus 4, 1, and then 3 minus 8 cannot be, you have to borrow. It will be 13. Minus 8, it will be 5, and that's it. So the final answer, 85.13. Here we need to check which one is equal to 3 over 4. We need to first find this graphs are, or these shapes are cut into how many parts. So let's count the gray part, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the total is 8. So the first one is 5 over 8. By the same way, complete the lines. So it's more clear for you. It's 4 over 8, which is half. The second one, 1, 2, 3, 3 over 8. Also complete the lines. And then this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over 8. So it's here asked me for 3 over 4. I know that 4 over 8 is a half. 5 over 8 and 3 over 8 cannot be simplified. I need to simplify this. So divide by 2, divide by 2, it will be 3 over 4. This is the correct answer. Order of operation. This question is asking for order of operation. We start with the brackets. 3 plus 4, 7 times 10, 70 plus 1, 71. Okay. Which place I should put the brackets so the answer is correct? Directly, I would think about 10 times 3. 10 times 3, 30, plus 4, 34, plus 1, 35. Oh, this is not the correct answer. I have to think again. So let's think about 1 plus 10. If I put the bracket here, it will be 10 times 3. 1 plus 10, 11 times 3. 33 plus 4, yes, 37. So this is the correct place. 1 plus 10, 11 times 3, and then the final answer. Okay, in this test for children, we need to know there are 11 children with the scores between 130 and 139. I can see that here is a place that is blank, and here is 130 to 139, and this is 11. Number of children. Number of children. I need to make lines for myself to understand what I'm talking about, what the question is asking me. 11 is here between 10 and 12. So I should draw the complete the bar chart. Okay, I will just draw a bar chart here. When you draw, use a pencil, use a ruler, so the drawing be nice and neat. Write the number of children with scores of less than 110. Check the scale down. 110. So the part less than 110 is here. How many? This is 4. This is 8. 4 plus 8, 12. So final answer will be 12. We need to measure this angle. We have to use a protractor. Here is the protractor. Put the center of the protractor at the same center of the angle. The line of the zero, the same line. And check. It was around between 50 and 60, almost 55. So yes, 55 degrees. A shape of 4 sides. 2 of the sides are parallel to each other. 2 of the sides, not 2 pairs of parallel sides, no. 2 sides are parallel. The other 2 sides are not parallel. This means we have 1 pair of parallel sides. We said this several times. When you see the word 1 pair of parallel sides, this means you are going to draw a trapezoid. So let's complete the drawing for a trapezoid. Here is it. This line are not parallel. These lines are parallel. Remember, you cannot draw a parallelogram. It cannot be a rectangle, but some people will think, oh, it looks like a parallelogram. No, you cannot draw a parallelogram. It will not be correct because parallelogram has 2 pairs of parallel sides. Here we have only 1 pair of parallel sides. That's all for today. See you in part 2. Thank you.